In this video, we'll learn how to equip your AI pilot with the right context, helping your team deliver instant, accurate answers using your own verified content. By connecting your help articles, website, or internal documents, you ensure your AI delivers precise, on-brand support every time. Create knowledge base. To get started, head over to the left sidebar and select the knowledge base module. If you're setting this up for the first time, you'll see an option to add a new knowledge base. Click the button and give your knowledge base a clear name. Add your icon. Select your primary language and hit Next. From here, choose the categories that best fit your content. Common choices include Getting Started, FAQs, or Troubleshooting. Once you're happy with the selection, hit Save to create your new workspace. Add and manage content sources. Now that your knowledge base is created, you'll see a knowledge base dashboard where you can manage your articles, sync your website, and upload documents. Now let's create a first article for this knowledge base. To create your first article, hit the New Article or Create Your First Article button to open the editor. Provide a descriptive title and enter your content. Under the Settings panel, manage your article slug URL. Select the appropriate category and assign an owner. You can also set the visibility to public, internal, or restricted, depending on who should see this info. To provide access to your AI agents, navigate to AI Settings and enable the toggles for both AI Pilot and AI Copilot. This is what allows the AI to read and learn from this specific article. Feel free to add tags or SEO metadata for better organization, then hit Save and Publish. To connect your website. Now, let's connect your website so the AI Pilot has real-time access to your online content. Click the Website section, select Add, and enter your URL or sitemap. Choose whether the AI Pilot, Copilot, or both should use this data. Use advanced settings for further customization to your knowledge base website access and hit Save to start the sync. To upload documents. For static resources like PDF manuals, head to the Document section, enable the source, and upload your files. These are instantly indexed and ready for use. Advanced settings. Use the Categories tab to stay organized by adding or renaming folders as your library grows. For deeper customization, head to Knowledge Base Settings to change your KB icon, add more languages, or even delete the knowledge base if needed. Within the Knowledge Base page, here you will find a Quick Action button that provides quick access to actions such as creating new articles, connecting your website, or adding a new category. You can also import an existing knowledge base if you already have one created externally and want to bring it into Salesmate. Similarly, you have the option to export your knowledge base whenever needed. Grant access to AI Pilot and agents. With your content loaded, we need to bridge that knowledge to your AI. Navigate back to the AI Pilot section from the left sidebar. Scroll down to the AI Pilot Setup where you'll see the knowledge base you just created. Toggle it on to connect it to the AI Pilot. Next, scroll to the Agents section and select the specific agent you want to empower. In the right-hand settings panel, turn on Access to Knowledge Base. Your agent is now officially trained and ready to reference your content when chatting with customers. And that's it. With your knowledge base synced and your agents authorized, your AI is ready to provide expert-level support. Thanks for watching.